Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can fix GTA 5 online. The required files to play couldn't not be downloaded. So it is pretty simple. The first solution is disconnect from your router, and what you'll need to do is take your phone or other router and connect to the hotspot, then launch the game and wait a little bit. After that, like after a couple minutes, you can change back to your router again. If that doesn't help you, you may need to restart your computer or PC, PS or Xbox. After that, try restarting your platform. Where are you playing, like Rockstar, Steam or Epic Games? And for the solution 3, what you can do is verifying game files. So it's easy to do on computer. Just go to the Steam or whatever your platform you're using. Just find GTA 5, as you can see. I don't have, but go to the properties, and right here where it says files, you'll need to go right here and click verify game files. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.